Anytime you see that many stickers on anything, you know there is an amazing story. Hey, it is Joey with Sun Outdoors. Time for RV Cribs with Ursulla and Tim, my new friends.
Whoop, whoop.
Come on in, Joey. Check out the Airstream.
Let's do this. Woo-hoo-hoo. I almost fell. This is so beautiful. This is amazing. Honestly, way bigger than I even expected this to be. Everything, like looking around, everything that you could ever need. I feel like you have it in here.
It's with us everywhere we go. Between the truck and the Airstream, we've got every human possession that we've ever wanted. And then some. We still find ourselves downsizing every 6 months and donating more and more to Goodwill and whatnot.
When you guys need some space, what do you do?
Oh man, we got the great outdoors.
Yeah. Or he'll sit right here.
I'll sit right
And
there.
I'll
Brought
right
to you
there.
by Sun Outdoors. What's it been like here, Sun Outdoors, Sarasota, for you two?
Amazing so far. This is a great resort. It looks like it's got some crazy massages going on. Well, not crazy massages.
Yeah, not like that.
Yeah, not like that.
But for real, I mean, you go to the common areas, you got jacuzzis, you got what's the steam room, saunas.
I got an arcade, I got a general store, I got a dog wash next to me. I mean, this is like everything I've ever wanted in an RV resort right here, right now. So this is where we eat dinner, or outside at the Sun Outdoors provided picnic table.
Right? That picnic tables are no joke.
Right? Yeah.
I've never seen a picnic table like these.
Comes with the spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So dinette.
So we don't eat here dinner.
We do occasionally.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
the boring spot.
Yeah.
We're outside usually.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, like we're joking around before. It's like, how do you get along with each other when it's this little of a living space? And the truth is, it's like we got an Airstream because all the windows, as you can see, it feels like the outside's coming in. It's 200 square feet of living space, so when it gets really difficult is when it rains. But for the most part, we're outside. So we're sitting outside reading a book, we're on a walk, we're on a hike, we're riding bicycles. We've got all of our adventure gear in our truck, so it's like we're ready to go at any given time. It's just a matter of, what's the weather look like today.
Yeah.
We have our wonderful kitchen, and
Beautiful.
hard stone. We've got an oven and a microwave, and then we got a 3-burner cooktop as well. So it's a smaller space, but it's everything we need. We've got a bunch of storage space, obviously, up in here. We've got plenty of storage.
Take us through the back.
Yeah, I think that's it up front, right?
Yeah.
150. We're
got
halfway done with the tour, guys. So we also got this model Airstream because it's not a wet bath. You guys have seen the wet bath, right? Where it's like shower where you're dealing with everything else. This has a shower separate and then the bath on the other side.
I like that.
Yeah. So this is the master bedroom. We sleep here.
Don't need anything more. What would you give to somebody, some advice to somebody that's watching right now, thinking, damn, Tim and Ursulla, at first I thought they were crazy, but I might be able to try this.
Debt-free, know your purpose, get life done. I made that up on the spot. Mic drop.
See you later.
We're done. Wrap.
Cut it. We're out of here. RV Cribs, we are gone. Sun Outdoors, Sarasota. Sun them off. Sun them off, Tim.